Now we have the split end prevention for oily scalp hair kit. This is really recommended for people that have lightweight hair, fine hair, and also they want to maintain their haircuts. So with this kit, you'll be receiving 3 items. 2 of them are the Verb Ghost Shampoo and the Verb Ghost Conditioner. The third item is the OA Nurturing Hair Drops. With all of these 3 items, it helps balance out the oils in your hair to make sure that your hair doesn't produce more excess sebum with the oil that we tend to produce in the scalp, as well as the ends can get a little bit oily and greasy. Using these 3 items will maintain all of that to get rid of any type of unwanted oils. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you shampoo your hair with the Ghost from Verb shampoo. The second one will be the Verb Ghost Conditioner that you're going to condition. Make sure that you put it from mid shafts to ends. Leave it in for a good 3 minutes. After all of that is done, while your hair is wet or if it's dry, that's when you need to add the nurturing drops from away to only mid shafts to ends. Please do not add the oil close to the scalp or even on the scalp because the oil will produce more sebum on the scalp, which is not what you need. This oil will help fix any type of split ends, any dry ends, or just to maintain your haircut in general. The oil goes a long way, so a little bit, trust me, once you feel it, you'll know. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the products, feel free to give us a call or text, and have a great day.